Hi, in this video, I am explaining about new version of our mass messaging feature. In our previous video of mass messaging, you have seen that how mass messaging is helpful for sending same messages to multiple contacts. So in this video, I am explaining about new version and its visuals and all the settings we have done in the new version. So here you can see that this is our mass messaging option, mass sending. Click on this. In this window, you can see classic version and new version. And this classic version is our previous version, and in new version, this is the updated version. Also here you can see these modes, dark mode, light mode option, and back to WhatsApp. If you want to go back to your WhatsApp, you can see here. And in this classic version, you can see here the oldest version and its features and settings. And by clicking on this new version, you can see a new window here. So here, when you're opening the new version, you can see the changes here and the selecting options and the contact listing option. All the features are changed. The layout, the design, and the options are changed here. So here, if you want to hide the headers, you can hide from by clicking on this. And if you want to see on the dark mode, you can click on this dark and white mode are here. If you want to go back to our WhatsApp, normal web WhatsApp, you can select this. And if you want to leave from this window, you can leave from here. And here you can see the contacts, actions, reviews, sending result, the process of mass messaging. So by doing the step by step, you can see the changes on these options also. And here I am selecting a few contacts. So for selecting contacts, you can see the saved contacts option and the inbox, labeled contacts, and the groups in our WhatsApp and the group contacts. So here you can see like you can select which groups contacts you want to send, and also CRMs or tabs, and the contact profile and import spreadsheet. So if you have contacts in a spreadsheet, you can import that. Also, if you want to export the selected contacts, you can export by selecting the contacts from your WhatsApp. So here I am selecting a few contacts. So from here, according to your need, you can select the contacts. So here I am selecting contacts from the saved contacts by searching by name or number. So here I am searching by name. So here I have selected this and one more contact. So like this, you can select the contacts from your contact list. So here I have selected few contacts. If you want to add another contact, you can select from here, add contact, and this number you want to add, you can add directly from here. And the name and surname also synchronized with the Google contacts, and you can add like that. And also here you want to create a group like with these contacts. If you want to create a group, you can create from here also. And for sending the message, I am clicking the next option. Next. So here in this actions window, you can see the action, send message. And from here, you can select the message type from here. And like text, image, video, audio, documents, multiple media types are here. And if you want to send these contacts to CRM tab, you can select from here which CRM tab you want to add these contacts. You can add from here, and labels also like that. And the next one is timers. So here you can say waiting seconds, show typing indicator, show that an audio is being recorded. So for recording audio, you can indicate audio is recording, and for the text message, you can indicate that the message is typing like that. So it will get the notice of the people when we are sending the messaging. So they won't feel that the message is forwarded or it's been already recorded like that. So they will feel the audio or the message is sent instantly. And also you can see the utilities and the transfer service option also here. And here you can see the quick replies. You can select the messages from quick replies to send to the customers. If you want to send that same message, you can select from there also. And then here I am adding an action text message, just a simple message in a text. So here I have set up a small offer message here, simply for a demo. And here you can see the message is here, and the interval option is 4, in which the interval between each message is how much time difference you want when sending each messages within one message by one. So after sending 10 messages to 10 contacts, we can post the sending, and then we can again start the sending. So post time also we can add here. 1 minute, 2 minute, how much time difference you want between posting. Like you can select from here, and if you want to disable the signature, you can disable from here, and also you can customize signature name also from here. So here I am selecting the next option here, and it will be in review mode. So here the text message and estimated time and also the recipients, how much contacts we have added. Like this, all the details are added here for review. So here you can see the edit option. If you want to edit this message, also the run test for me for the testing the option we have added. And also here you can see the recipients, how much contacts you have selected. And like if you want to edit the contacts from here for selecting more contacts or for removing the contacts, we can edit from here and then it will go back to the contact selecting window and then execute the actions. So here we can select this I understand and accept the terms of use and then send option and it will be sent one by one. So here I am selecting the send option. So sending started successfully. We can track from here the sending option. So here the process to contacts, send contact failures. So like this we can track the details of sending messages. So for one contacts, it's shared, and for the next two contacts, it has been again shared. So like this, we can track the messages, how many sent, how many fail, like this, and it's easy to understand every options from this new updated visual. So here, no complications or no confusion will occur, and we can easily track the details. And here also, and here, if you want to send again, we can send from here again. So from here, by clicking on this view results, you can see the result here and you can see how much contacts reached, how much total action sent and sending errors. And if you want to return to campaign manager, you can click on this. And or also if you want to create another action sequence, you can click on this and create another message and select the contacts from there. So by using this feature, you know that you can send the same messages to multiple contacts. So by clicking on this, here you can see the existing campaigns. You can see the campaign we have created, the date and all the details, the contacts we have selected, the message. By opening on this and you can see the contact selected and in the next you can see the message we have set up and all the details from here. And here you can create new campaign by clicking on this. If you want to create another campaign, you can select on this and give a name and then create the campaign. So here I am adding another campaign. Campaign 2, for example, create. So the second campaign is created here. So by opening this, you can select the contacts from here for the second campaign and you can set the message by clicking on next. In the next window, you can set up the message and all the details and the delays between the messages like that. You can do all the things. So this feature is very useful for sending the same messages to multiple contacts and the contacts in your groups or your inbox contacts like this. You can select which contacts you want to send and here also we have to limit the contacts like as it is not an API, we have to limit the contact numbers when selecting the contacts to avoid the number blocking. And for a small business, it's very useful for sending the same messages to the multiple contacts. So when setting up this feature for a business, try to limit the number of contacts because like when you are sending the same message to multiple contacts, it may lead to the detect as fake in messages so the number will make get blocked. So for avoiding that, limit the number to 100 to 200 contacts and also set up the time interval between the contacts accordingly to avoid the number blocking. So when setting up this feature, if you have any queries, any doubt, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching.